I'll show you in the quick and easy way how you can publish your games on Roblox. So from your Roblox studio, you want to pick on the game that you want to publish. For example, here I have a, for example, game here. I'm gonna open that up. Now, on this game, first off, make sure that everything is ready. Make sure that all of the code, all of the way it interacts is all ready, and it's already all good, and it's all bug free. Well, it won't automatically all be bug free, but do your best to make sure all of it is polished. Now, from here, it's very easy. Once you have the project, you just have to click on File, and you either pick on Publish to Roblox or Publish to Roblox as. If you want to publish to Roblox, just click on that, and that's it. But if you want to click on Publish to Roblox as, just click on this. And then, for example, I have, for example, game here, and I'm going to click on, for example, I'm going to click on Overwrite, and that's it. It'll upload, and there you go, successfully published. Now, you may find this place in, for example, game. Now, you can already find this on Roblox, right? So, your game is now published. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.